Money is changing. Cryptocurrency isn't just the future, it's already here. And whether you're new or experienced, it's a chance to take control of your own financial journey. But what exactly is crypto, and how does it work? Let's break it down. Think of cryptocurrency like digital cash, but with a twist. No banks, no middlemen. It's money that's powered by people through a system called blockchain. Imagine a public diary where every transaction gets recorded and can't be changed. That's blockchain. And because there's no bank controlling it, you can send or receive money anytime, anywhere. So, how does it actually work? Let's say you want to send someone Bitcoin. You don't need a bank or an app like PayPal. Instead, the transaction gets sent out to thousands of computers across the world. These computers check if everything's legit and then lock it in the blockchain. Once it's there, it's done, permanent and secure. Now, here's why crypto matters. Traditional money goes through banks, which means fees, delays, and limits. But with crypto, you control everything. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world instantly, and with lower fees. Plus, no one can block your money or tell you how to use it. You're in charge. Here's what's cool. No bank or government controls crypto. It's decentralized. That means no one can freeze your account or tell you what to do with your money. In places where banks are unstable or governments control everything, crypto gives people the freedom to manage their own money. Let's talk about real-life usage. Imagine you want to send money back home to your family. With banks, it's slow and expensive, but with crypto, you can do it instantly and for a fraction of the cost. Or, let's say you want to invest. Some people have made huge profits by trading crypto at the right time. But here's the flip side. Crypto is risky. Prices can jump up and crash down in hours. That's called volatility, and it's part of what makes crypto exciting and dangerous. You could make big profits or big losses in a short time. So, if you're going to dive into crypto, make sure you're prepared. So, now you know what crypto is and how it works, but where do you buy it? In the next episode, we'll explore the two main ways to trade crypto: centralized exchanges versus decentralized exchanges, and which one's right for you. Stay tuned to find out. Crypto is the future, and you're just getting started. Stick with this series, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to trade confidently. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.